Today, I'm embarking on a big project, and that's to create for you dozens and dozens of videos. And I'm hoping to try to keep them topic by topic as short as possible. But each video is going to take some time to help step you through the key points of your textbook's chapter. So let's go ahead and get started. First, for a welcome to the class. So welcome to ME 2134. And of course, let's start in chapter one. And I hope that this set of videos is going to help you. Let's see, what do I want to do? I want to help you learn the material, but I also want to help you perform well in the class in order to get a good grade. So here's my starting disclaimer. These videos that I am going to be creating are not intended to be the only thing that you need for learning the material in this class, for doing the homework, and preparing to do well on your quizzes and tests and final exam in order to get a good grade. It's going to take a lot of hard work on your part to achieve success. So I do want to make that point. And so think of these videos as helping you to self-teach yourself, to maybe supplement what you are getting from your class, and hopefully to try to give you some ideas on some things I've learned along the way that have helped me throughout my student experience and through my working career. And so here's a roadmap of chapter one. So in the next video, we're going to talk about you identifying open systems and closed systems. That's going to be a key. The next video is going to be an introduction to what we call properties. I'm going to give you an idea of what that means. Once we've defined some properties, we're going to talk about the difference between, in jargon for this class, properties, processes, and states. You may have heard that working with units in this class is extraordinarily important, and that's I'm going to try to give you some ideas on the way I survived and sort of mastered working with units in my own student experience and work experience as well. And then I'm going to give you some ideas for planning ahead for your success in this class. Okay, so when we get started, so you get started in this class, recognize that you're self-teaching yourself to become a practicing engineer. And engineers are problem solvers. And so step zero, the very, very first thing we do as problem solvers is try to understand the problem. And you're going to be assigned homework problems. And so that means you're simply going to be reading a homework problem and trying to figure out where you're going to go from there. And what will be the benefit once you understand the problem? Your objective on the short term is to get a good grade in class. And on the longer term, you're self-teaching yourself to be a good practicing engineer. And so I'm trying to encourage you to get into your mind to learn things instead of depending on formulas. Okay, and so the first step in reading, let's say a homework problem or a quiz problem or a test problem, is to understand what the problem is. And the first thing you will do is to model the system. And you're going to be asking yourself, is this a closed system or an open system problem? That's really going to be step zero in gaining success in this class. And that's going to be the next video. And so really the recap of this, other than me jabbering along and giving you some ideas on what's your purpose for being here, is to remind you that you're going to be putting in a lot of hard work in this class and your other classes, and your objective is to achieve success on the short term, get a good grade in your class, learn the material, learn how to perform well as an engineer, and then success for you as a practicing engineer or graduate school. Okay, I hope that helps you get started. Please check out my next video that I'm getting ready to create now on is it an open system or a closed system?